What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Yellow from Rainbow Friends. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the top edge of the beak. We're going to start right in the middle. Let's start with a point. Now let's draw on the left side. We're going to curve this out and then down. Let's go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Going out and then down towards the same height. Now I want to curve the beak coming in towards the center. Let's start back on the left, come in, and then bend that down, go up and out towards the right. Let's add two small ovals along the top, one on the left, we'll fill them black, and then one on the right. Now I want to open up the beak. From the corners of the mouth, curve this down, and then bend that back in towards the middle. Let's draw the inside edge. We're going to step in, just trace that out on the bottom, and then we'll bring that back up on the right side. Now I want to add a couple fangs along the top. Starting over on the left, bend this down and in, taper that back up, and then we'll add one more, coming down and then up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add the bottom row of teeth. Starting from the center, curve this out and up, back down, then we'll add one more, and do the same thing on the right. Let's add a curve across the center of the mouth for the tongue. Starting over on the left, go in between the teeth, and then back down. And I fill the top half in black, going around the teeth and the tongue. Now let's go back up to the top and draw two large ovals for the eyes. We're going to start on the left side of the beak. Just want to angle this in. So we go in and up, round out the eye, come down, and just back in towards the side of the beak. Let's do the same thing on the right. I'm going to line this up, come up and in, round out the top, come down the side, and then back in. Let's add a highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, we're going to come in, go all the way around, and then back out. And we'll line this up on the right side. Now you want to add a smaller highlight along the bottom right side. Going around with that circle. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Again, going around those highlights. And now we want to surround the face with a large circle. We're going to start on the left side of the beak. We go all the way around the left side, go up and then in towards the middle, go all the way around, come down the right side, and we'll bend that back in towards the side of the beak. Let's move down the side of the beak and draw the outside of the wing. We're going to start over on the left, bend this out, and then down. Let's go over towards the right. Now I want to round out the tip of the wing, come in, and then up towards the side of the body. Now along the inside of the wing, we're going to step out, curve the body, coming around, and just bend that in towards the side. And then in the middle, we're going to step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's draw the top half of the legs tucked in behind the body. So on the left hip, curve this around, come down, and then up in the middle, come down towards the right, go up, and then in towards the hip. Now from the inside, curve the leg going out and then down towards the heels. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to round out the top of the foot, going up. Now bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Let's go to the outside of the leg, bend the leg coming down and then out on top of the feet. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw yellow from rainbow, friends. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you smash that like button because I'm posting new lessons every single week. And you can check out more lessons in our Rainbow Friends playlist. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.